Hey guys, it's Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and we are back with another hammer review. This time we're talking premium framers. These are the hammers that your carpenters, construction workers, and somebody that swings a hammer every day are going to pick. You're going to spend a little bit more on these, but guess what? It's worth it. So what I did is I reached out to some of the biggest and best hammer manufacturers around the country, and I said, hey, send me your best hammer. And guess what? They did. We heard from Hardcore Hammers, Hart, Stiletto, Dead On, and Vaughn. And they sent a couple of good hammers for us to test out. They had to have a milled face, and they had to be under 25 ounces because let me tell you, after swinging these things for a while, you get tired. So we want to have, and we want to find out which ones are going to be the best ones for you. So what we did is we took 16B nails, we drove them into pressure treated 4x4s, stacked 2x4s, and we did a little bit of fence repair around the house as well to really test these things out. So let's find out which one is the best fit for you.
First up is the 16-ounce titanium stiletto with an 18-inch curved axe-style hickory handle. With its wide face and stout grip, it impacts like a heavier hammer and it rarely misses the mark. I found this to be one of the easiest hammers to swing with the most accurate strikes. Next up is the Hart 21-ounce with an 18-inch anti-vibration fiberglass handle. Weighing in as one of the heaviest hammers in the competition, this Hart has a 180-degree nail pull on one side of the head and a strike surface on the other for tight spaces. Our rock star of the group is the 15-ounce Stiletto T-bone titanium framer with an 18-inch titanium handle. It feels light as a feather and it hits like a sledge. It only takes one strike for your arm to feel the benefit of a fully titanium assembly. It's not a swing you'll soon forget. From Hart is the 16-ounce quick strike steel hammer with a 16-inch I-beam handle. It's another light hammer that swings heavy. The head is slightly angled for maximum striking and keeps the 180-degree nail pull on the side for better pulling leverage. The 19-ounce Indie entry from Hardcore Hammers has an 18-inch curved gunstock hickory handle that would make Granddad proud. The patented milled face of this hammer is inset for clean and controlled strikes and allows the user to forego having to find a finishing hammer when the job calls for a smooth-faced driver. Wearing all black, the Dead On Tools 21-ounce investment cast hammer comes with an 18-inch curved hickory handle and a precision balanced head. This hammer immediately gets noticed on the job site and swings like the brute that it is. Something a little different is the Vaughan 18-ounce VW Rip Hammer. It has a straight 17-inch replaceable hickory handle and a unique V-head design that strikes like it has a large face, but doesn't come with the arm fatigue that would normally accompany these kind of strikes.
Hey, so now we've previewed each hammer here, it's time for you to head on over to the website at lazyguydiy.com and search for premium framer. And you can find out exactly which hammer is perfect for you. I have all links to the manufacturers and I have a little bit more information on each. So now it's time for you to pick your own and start swinging.